Mentakasini ka sorkar jela kalau beteng biang ikjinya kren berkasih Achik National Volunteers Council. Hak bala penyai daw sembut menteri rangba ke jela ba Presiden Tensong baderu menteri kampo ing ke jela. Hak ne ikjinya lang la don lang ro ka Director General Pulit ka kong ida sisya orang bat kiwe ki he pulit. Haba kren syakilat patai kubor hadin balawai ikjinya lang ba Presiden Tensong loong ba kajira pisah kalong na ka sorkar jela ban na ka sorkar pedeng. Ula kubur ba yakisas kular keblaya soy hapdeng sorkar pedeng ke sorkar jela berkaseng NBC lala aban pendep tang hapdeng sanpeu lanen 4%. Bat kebadang sa agalong kumba sa 4% ye. Kibadang sa kibadang kam bat penkelaya kritis nisyar. Kikam kibadang sa mentah. Kalong ban penkelaya kritis nisyar jonggeri India kasik schedule. Ya kan ye hable dak parlemen. Karba amparla ban pedang dak parlemen ya kikam bat kibor kibadeban pa syakadis konsil amparla ban pa ya mentah.
I would like to inform to all of you that today the government has again called a meeting with all the members from ANBC and ANBCB, along with all the senior officers, right from the Honorable Chief Secretary, DGP, and the senior officers of the text settlement signed between the ANBC, state government, as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line, of those issues flagged off in the text agreement. And mostly, I would say, mostly the agreement made was already made or already completed, but of course some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much. But all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the ANVC and ANVCB, that has been also completed. And now, briefly, I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities, like construction of road, and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in arts and culture department we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the NVC and NCB, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the text settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. So today, as I said to you, the members of the NBC, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see, all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings, it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of nodal officer, who will coordinate between the members of the ANBC and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garo Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner in the state of Meghalaya. So these are the issues where we discussed today with the members of this text. This is a very long process. So I already told them also, then we agree that at least quarterly we will have this meeting. If need be, we will have maybe quarterly if need be, because now let us wait and let us see first, because we never appointed a specific nodal officer, but this time I told you we are going to appoint, to engage one nodal officer to deal with this text agreement point by point and then clause by clause, and what are the issues, whether it is with the department A or B or C, or whether it is with the district council, all those issues will be taken care of by the nodal officer, who will meet the members regularly stationed in Tura.
Sir, whether it will be
Once notification come out, you will be able to